Good morning, children. In this session of environment, today we will learn about ecosystem. Ecosystem is formed by interaction of living organisms with each other and with physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live and are linked by transformation of energy and material. That means all animals, plants and human beings, they depend upon each other. Plants depend upon land, water, air. Human beings depend upon animals and plants. Some herbivorous animals depend upon plants. Some carnivorous animals depends upon plants and also animals. So we can say in ecosystem all living organisms depends upon material things. Some examples of ecosystem are forest, rainwater, grasslands, deserts, mountains, lakes, rivers and even small ponds also. Even Arctic regions, grasslands and swamps also comes under the ecosystem. In the previous session, we have learned that in the components of environment, we have natural environment, human-made environment. Today we will learn about human environment. That means interaction of human beings. That means people, how they interact with environment. That is their surroundings, how they use their surrounding land, how they use the animals there present in the surroundings and plants that are available in their surroundings. Early human beings used to live a very simple life. They used to gather the foods. They used to move from one place to another place only in search of food. But when the time grows, the people, they have learned to grow the crops, domesticate their animals. They started even living a settled life. That means they did not move thereafter and they did not live any kind of nomadic life. They started leading a settled life. They invented wheel. When they started growing food, when it was in surplus, they started barter system. What is this barter system? It is nothing but exchanging one good with another good. In olden days, and when the agriculture started, people practiced barter system only. Slowly, the trade has been expanded. People started moving from one place to another for the purpose of trade, but not in the search of food here. Industrialization increased. They started producing various kinds of goods on a large scale. That means in huge amounts. Next, in order to take all this crop, these goods what they have produced, they need some transportation. So as wheel was invented, they modified various kinds of transport systems according to their needs. Slowly, when technology has grown, communication system also increased very fastly across the world. Nowadays, we use various kinds of communication system. Messages, information will be passed within seconds to the other person. This is how human environment has been changed from one form to another form. We can say simply that human environment has been developed. We can see many fruits in different seasons. The people got adopted to use different kinds of fruits according to the seasons. There is a perfect balance in necessary between the nature and human environment. Human beings started learn to live and use the environment in a very humorous way. But nowadays, humans started destructing the environment. They started polluting all the natural resources. We observe June 5th as World Environment Day. So every year June 5th is celebrated as World Environment Day.